Did you know 3 men survived being thrown into a fiery furnace? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to worship King Nebuchadnezzar's golden statue and were thrown into a blazing furnace. Miraculously, they were unharmed, and a 4th figure, like a son of the gods, appeared with them in the flames. This story is a testament to unwavering faith and God's protection in times of trial. Thanks for tuning in. For more awesome videos like this, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out. See you soon.